In the last video, we shared 3 methods to unpixelate blurry images, but I didn't mention any software specifically for Windows users. Well, in this video, we'll explore a powerful tool that can help you upscale an image effortlessly. First, head over to upscayle.org and navigate to the Download section. Select the Windows OS version and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, install the software and open it. Now, drag and drop your image into the software. You'll have the option to select an AI model, but if you're unsure, you can leave it as the default selection. You can also adjust the upscale amount, but I'll keep it at the default setting. Finally, click on the Upscale button. After a few minutes, your upscaled image will appear on the screen and will also be saved in the output folder. That's it. Now you can enhance your images easily on Windows.